How to fix the new Outlook application not syncing automatically on Windows. So here I am in the new Outlook application. So from here, the first thing that you need to check if your Outlook application is not syncing is that you need to check if you have an internet connection. So for example, I can just click this right here. And as you can see, I'm connected to a Wi-Fi. And then I can also click manage Wi-Fi connections and then see that if I have an internet connection, so if it says connected and secured. Sometimes uh, you are connected to a Wi-Fi and then it will say right here no internet. So that's why you need to double check if you have an internet first. So if you are using a wired connection, so it will go ahead and show up right here. It will also say if you don't have internet as well. So that's the first thing that you need to check. You need to check if you have an internet connection. Now, if your Outlook application is still not syncing automatically, what you can do is that you can sync it manually. So just go right here to the View tab and then click Sync. And then from here, it will say syncing right here. And then you just need to wait for it to finish and then it should now be synced. And then that should also turn on automatic syncing whenever you're using the Outlook application. So if it's still not fixed, what you can do is that you can go to File, go to Settings, from here type in Offline, or you can see Offline right here in the General tab. So just click that and then you can just turn off allow offline access. So from here, it will make sure that whenever you are using the Outlook application, you need to be online first or you need to have an internet connection. So from there, you will the Outlook application will remember to always sync your Outlook application because you need to be online. So from here, it says application restart is required. So from here, we can restart the Outlook application immediately. So we can just click restart now. And then it will go ahead and restart the Outlook application. And then it should now be fixed. If you are still having problems with automatic syncing, now what you can do is that you can try to repair the Outlook application. So to do that, just go right here to search and then type in installed applications. And then click on that. It will open your Windows settings. From here, you will see all of your installed applications. And then in the search bar, just type for Outlook. Then you will see the new Outlook application right here. Click the three dots, click Advanced Options. From here, scroll down. Then you can see the Repair button right here. So I can just close Outlook and then click Repair. From there, it should now repair Outlook and then it should now sync automatically. So if it's still not working, now you can try to use Reset. So when you use Reset, so it will reset the Outlook application to its default state. So it will remove your accounts and then you will be signed out. So don't worry, it says right here the app's data will be deleted. So what that actually means is that it will just sign you out of all of your accounts that is signed in or logged in. And then when you click reset, this window will open. So it says this will permanently delete the app's data on the device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So just click the reset button. Then when you open the Outlook application, you just need to sign in to your account again. And then that is basically it. So those are the fixes that we can do to fix the new Outlook application not syncing automatically on Windows. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.